In this video, we're going to learn how to make a hyperdoc like this one here. This can be used either just to give students information with links, or you could even leave some of the spaces empty where students could type in their own responses if you pushed it out through Google Classroom. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to use the Table tab up at the top, and we're going to go ahead and insert a table with 4 cells. So when you look at this first piece here, you can see that it looks like there are 2 cells here and 1 here. That's because this one here has been merged. The way we do that is we're going to click on and highlight both of these cells, and then we're going to right-click on those cells and then choose the function Merge Cells. That's going to make that into one cell. Then I'm going to take my cursor and I'm going to drag this over here, and I'm going to wind up with something that looks fairly similar to that. Because I'm going to want more than one of them before I start adding anything to it, I'm going to want to copy it and hit return and paste it in. So now you can see I have 2 little pieces very much like these. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to get myself a little flag. Copy that and just paste that right in there. And then I want to add my text, which I believe is engage. And I'm going to make the text larger. I can also center it. Okay, so it looks very much like that. Next thing I'm going to do is add the color. So I go to the cell in which I'd like to add color, make sure the cursor is active there, right click, and I'm going to scroll down until I see table properties. When table properties come up, I have several options. I can change the thickness of the border, which I'm going to do here. I'm going to change that to, I think about 2 sounds good. And I'm now going to change the background color of that cell to green, pretty much like the one in the example. So now you can see it looks very similar to the one in the example. I can take my text and just pop it in here. And I'm free to go ahead and do another one. This little guy here. Toss it in there. Here. Right there. Larger, I think it was 24. Center it. And then I'm going to go to table properties to get my colorful options. Going to change this border to the same thing as the other border was changed. And I'm going to make this a blue color. And there we go. So now you can see how you would create a hyperdoc like this from scratch. You can add your own information in here with some hyperlinks. So let's say I wanted the students to be able to open this document on Padlet. I could click on share, and anyone with a link can view is probably what I'm going to want in most cases. I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to go right back in, and I could highlight that text, add that link, and there's my hyperdoc.